Hello 132 BI Arcadas! Alam niyo ba na ang inventory list is an annual report that outlines the details of all inventories held by a company on the last date of its financial year. Ang submission date po natin ito annually is within 30 days after the end of the company's financial year. Depende na po yan if you are following the calendar year or fiscal year. So if naka-calendar year po kayo, you have to submit the inventory list on or before January 30 of the following year. Ang inventory list ay isang compliance requirement for businesses that hold inventory for sale in the Philippines. Section 13 of Revenue Regulations number B-1, also known as the Bookkeeping Regulations, provide na taxpayers in the Philippines ay required mag-maintain ng Book of Inventories para sa negosyo nila na may inventories. The Revenue Regulation also requires that details relating to inventories held at the end of each financial year must be prepared and submitted to the BIR. Submitting the inventory list with accurate information is important because it might result to financial penalties if submitted erroneously or late. Inaanyayahan po natin ang lahat na huwag maging late sa pagsasubmit ng inventory dahil meron po itong penalty. Inaccurate reporting of inventory can also result in investigations or audits by the BIR. If you are unsure about which inventories or items of inventory to include in your inventory list, i-contact niyo po ang inyong accountant or bookkeeper. For example po, na you have no inventory at the end of the year kasi naibenta nyo lahat ng inventory ninyo, it doesn't matter. The company is still required to submit an inventory list pero wala lang po yung detalye. Lalagyan nyo lang po ito ng no inventory or zero inventory ang report ninyo. Ang importante is that BIR is informed about the status of your inventory. In 2015, the BIR issued RMC number 57-2015, which further gives us guidelines on the submission of the inventory list and additional information that must be submitted kasama nito. Under RMC number 57-2015, a business with tangible asset-rich balance sheets with at least half of its assets in total working capital assets must submit in both hard and soft copy additional schedules and lists in the prescribed format outlined in the annexes of RMC number 57-2015. If hindi ka sure, ma'am and sir, kung ang company mo ay required to submit an inventory list, contact your accountant or bookkeeper without delay. Yan po ang information natin ukol sa inventory list ka-BI Arcada. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook. Please leave us a thumbs up if you like our video. Salamat and see you in the next one.